You ready to go out? Yeah? Okay, go! You having fun? We haven't even gone anywhere. Chamber's cleared. Realistically speaking, I probably don't even need this. Most of the bears out here are probably hibernating, so don't really have to worry about that. Mountain lions maybe, but they've probably also moved down along with the deer, but my mom wouldn't let me leave the house without it. So here we are, dead weight. We actually didn't even get to the spot where I wanted to park. Still maybe a mile up the road. Too much snow on the road and my truck doesn't have lockers. It has 4x4 capabilities but no lockers, so couldn't go up any further. It's all right, that's why we got legs. Got to here, saw someone had busted a Yui. I didn't think much of it, and then I tried going up. The extent of my rear tire spinning, my two fronts there, and then couldn't go any further, but we'll just walk. It's not too bad. Looks like there's a bear that's still not in hibernation. These tracks look very fresh. You see how there's dirt? Oh, there's dirt on top of this snow. Oh, it snowed 2 days ago, so it was either from today or yesterday. Oh man, let's hope we don't come across them. Dang. You could tell this side gets mostly shade throughout the day. Just covered in snow. And then if you look on that side, it gets blasted by the sun all day. No snow on those pine trees over there at all. This is how cold it is out here. Oh man. Beautiful scenery over here. Beautiful scenery, yeah. We're definitely just gonna pitch our camp here. This is like beautiful. Look at that backdrop. Wait. Alright guys, sorry. Freaking dark. I've been sawing at some firewood that I'm trying to dry out for tonight. That way we're not too cold, but it's really dark. We gotta get cooking. Tonight we're doing shrimp and sweet potatoes, so let's get to it. Oh, this is gonna be so good. It smells so good already. Head on shrimp. Actually, you know, I think we're just gonna throw it on the coals because I don't think this rock is gonna be hot enough. Oh. It's got a bear canister. Might seem overkill, but you know, it is the Sierras. There are a lot of bears out here. Like I said, most of them must be hibernating, except for that one lone bear that we saw. Or we didn't see him, but we saw his tracks. So always nice to have that. I hate trying to open these things up. They're like almost human proof too, if you don't know what you're doing. Brought some chili oil. Thank goodness I threw it in this Ziploc bag. Thankfully, it did not get on anything. Oh, this one's like piping. Leave them on for a little bit longer. Oh, that one's ready. This one's ready too. Mm-hmm. Oh man, looks so good. This is all homemade too. My mom made this chili oil, I want to say like a couple days ago. So it's a super fresh batch. That hits the spot. I like it more when it tastes like dirt. Although, these probably also taste like dirt since they're on some rocks. I'm sizzling right there. Whew. It's only 6 o'clock, but that sun has fully dipped over the mountains, and man, it is getting chilly. But we do have a nice fire going, so hopefully it's not going to be too bad. I'm gonna cut up some more firewood, that way we have some for tonight and we don't go to sleep cold. Hopefully we won't be waking up too much throughout the night either. It's gonna be a cold one, guys. Alright, let's do this. Probably gonna take everything off. Take these off. Oh, I gotta take off my cords. Oh man, these are cold. Got some little sticky hand warmers. Throw one in the front, throw one in the back. Zero to 5 degrees. I'll see if that rating is accurate. I think it's only supposed to get to around 10 to 15 degrees. But we'll see. See how it goes. Down quilt too. Just gonna tuck this right in the sleeping bag. I think I'm gonna call it a night, guys. Alright, good night. I'll see you guys in the morning. Morning, guys. Fire is completely dead. Stayed warm throughout the night. It wasn't too bad. I woke up at like 3 to pee. It wasn't too bad yet, but yeah, definitely starting to get cold now. Mainly the feet. Feet getting cold. Man, I don't want to get out of my sleeping bag, but I'm gonna have to if I want to start the fire. Oh, man, it's also so cold that these batteries aren't working that great. Oh, okay, bud. Okay. Okay. Go. Get. I know, I'm cold too. Let's start the fire. Oh. Oh, there's like frost everywhere. Look at that guy. Gave him some water, and he decides to eat snow. Fire is finally going strong. Oh, they're still nice and warm. Starting to get cold though. Lasted really long. Like, stayed warm, like I said, all the way up until maybe like 4, something like that. But good investment. How about? Man, I filled his water up a while ago. There's already ice on top of it. Like not even an hour ago. Hey, not for you. You don't get cookies, sorry. Stop. Quit. Quit it. You got your food. Got some granola right here. Some powdered milk. Some hot water. Gotta mix it up a little bit. There you go, some warm cereal. Damn guys, I hella played myself. Thought I was gonna be having venison for lunch tonight or today, but turns out all the venison is rock solid. But oh well, no venison. I guess it's just gonna be a ton of sweet potatoes, cup noodles, maybe some tuna. Oh well. You win some, you lose some. You live and you learn. Sorry. Ready to get going, bud? We are off. Got everything packed. Heading back to the truck. Beautiful day. Man, one last look at everything before we head in. Man. Oh boy, I'm gonna take a break right here, boys. Super tiring. Almost 10 o'clock. We're just gonna take it nice and slow since still pretty early in the day. There's some portions of the road that's like iced over, and I'm just hoping I'll get to those portions a little later in the day. That way it's like a little warmer. Hopefully the ice melts a little bit. We're also going uphill too. It's like maybe like a 10% grade, something like that, but you know, we'll see. Put it on low and run it slow. That's all we could do, at least. All right, enough rest. Ooh. Get back on the road. Nice. Got to where we turned around yesterday. So the truck is just around the corner. Oh, I'm relieved. So fucking tired. Oh, you're done, huh, bud? Oh. We gotta throw the chainsaw back into the bed of the truck. Alright, moment of truth. Oh, thank goodness. Alright, we are out of here. Did you have fun? I think we are snow and ice free now, at least on the road. There's still a little bit here and there, but off the road. But yeah, sweet. Well, it was quite a short adventure. I thought it was gonna be a little longer than that, but you know, can't complain. Got out there, had fun. So if you guys stayed on this long, thank you for watching the video in its entirety. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. Please like and subscribe. there's going to be plenty more of these videos to come, so I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace out.